Hi, and welcome to our look at the upcoming Monday, December 29th trading session. You can see I have the economic calendar in front of you, and there's really not much there. So really, we think this is going to be a fairly quiet session, probably based upon technical analysis only, unless, of course, there is some type of announcement that comes out that is a shock. But really, this time of year, between Christmas and New Year's, tends to be very quiet. So really, we're looking at short-term moves at best, would be our guess. Looking at the S&P 500, you can see that we are going a little bit higher here during the session on Friday. Very thin trading, but obviously we've broken out. It looks like 2100 is all but assured at this point in time. We're buying pullbacks. We're buying calls to take advantage of that bullishness. You can see that we have slowed down a little bit, so a little bit of a correction might be necessary. But at the end of the day, the S&P 500 does look positive. You can see that the gold markets here have actually had a very positive session. Thin trading, though, you can see 1200 continues to be a bit resistive. We're going to go ahead and suggest that there is a little bit of a trend line here. Perhaps even maybe a flag might be a bit of a stretch, but it does look like we've come back to test this channel, if you will. We are looking for resistive candles right around 1200 on short-term charts to go ahead and buy puts. It is possible that we could go higher than that, and then at that point in time we'd have to rethink things. But quite frankly, the gold market should continue because the US dollar should end up being still fairly strong. You can see that the euro dollar has done very little during the session on Friday. Showing a little bit of weakness, but really at the end of the day, just kind of continuing what we've seen for some time. It is a slow grind lower, so we're buying puts every time this thing rallies. We recognize that the US dollar is favored around the world by Forex traders, and therefore should continue to be a market that we buy puts every time it rallies for short-term moves. And with that, we've taken a look at the upcoming December 29th trading session. Should be a very quiet affair, so small positions, short-term trades only, in our opinion.